Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in this Django and React tutorial series. And for our music recommender web app, we are gonna be creating a model. So whenever the AI suggests us some music, we would want it to suggest on certain criterias. So we are going to define how it's going to look. So we'll just say class recommendation models.model. So I do have this Copilot set up on my Visual Studio, so it's gonna give me so many suggestions. We'll take it if we need it, but we don't really need it right now. And our recommendation is gonna have the name of the song. So this is going to be a character field. We can give it a max length of 100, and we are going to give artist models. We'll also set this as a character field for right now, and we will create an album. This is also going to be a character field. We don't really need genre, but we say release date. We can just add it as a date field. And we need themes. So what sort of themes is the song about? So we are going to ask the AI. So a scenario would be, hey AI, I want to listen to a song that's introspective, that's hip hop, and that has synthwave in it. So these are the inputs. If I provide to the AI, then AI will give us a song, and it will also extract themes from that song. So let's set these themes as character fill for right now, and let's say album art. Okay. We can just set this as a URL field because I don't want to deploy any images. And we are going to set this with a max length of 500 because links sometimes are very long. And okay, for right now, let's just set it up to this and return super. We don't need this self.name. We can just return that, and we'll also set up themes because I would want themes to be a separate model so that we can filter it based on the theme as well. I feel like this looks like a pretty decent setup for a theme model, and we can do many to many field and set it up to be theme, and we can say null equals true, blank equals true. We don't need a related name right now. Okay, we do have a recommendation, we have a theme, and let's also set up class links. Links, let's just say links. Okay, to be consistent, let's just say themes over here as well. And recommendations. Okay, and we are going to get recommendation. So this is basically a song, a single song. So we are going to get all the links from where we can listen to this music. So this is going to be a foreign key of recommendations, and we'll have a YouTube link, we'll have a Spotify link, and we'll have Apple Music link. So all of these are URL fields, and it recognized that we were using 500 as a URL field max length, so it's populating with that, which is pretty cool, I'd say. And this looks pretty good. Now once we have this as our model, let's go ahead in admin and let's register this. We'll just say everything for right now. Admin.site.register recommendations, admin.site.register links, admin.site.register themes. Okay, so we do have these ready. Let's just run the server and get a feel of how our data is going to be populated. It says theme is not recognized. Okay, it's themes. Sorry, I had changed it. THEMES is not defined. Wow. Should it be declared before? I think so. And we'll just get rid of this. Yeah. And after we make any changes to the models, we should always run migrations. Migrations, we'll say Python, that is .py migrate. Okay, now we'll run the server. Let's go to admin, and as you can see, we have themes, recommendations, links, and what it does by default is it adds a plural name for all the model names we already have. That's why I was debating whether or not to rename it S or not, but it doesn't matter. For now, it's just showing us this. This doesn't mean it's going to affect anything on our logic, but this is what it's going to be. So we'll just go ahead and get started with themes. Let's just add themes as introspection. Save and add another. We'll also add growth. And then recommendations, we'll go ahead and add a recommendation. We'll say the name of the song is 2009. Artist is Mac Miller. Album is Swimming. And release date is, I think it's 2018. But we can just select whatever for right now. And for themes, we'll select both album art. Let me just copy and paste this dummy link for right now. Okay, there we go. We have a recommendation. So if we want to add where to listen to these, we could just add links. What is the recommendation? 2009. For the YouTube, we are going to save. I have these links ready, guys, so let me copy and paste this one as well. And then save it. So we have a 2009, where to listen. We have themes for growth. And the recommendations itself will have all these themes and everything. So I think our models is looking pretty good. Next, we will work on creating the URL setup and the views. So that was it for this video. We created these models that we're going to be using, and the AI is going to populate itself on these models. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you ran into any issues, definitely let me know in the comment section below. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.